Hey, what's up guys? We're back. I'm gonna do another solve today. For the parts that I do need it, because I don't know like all the algorithms and stuff, I'll have this website like ready for assistance. We're just gonna see how fast I can do this time. So let's start it. So white cross, I need to do that again. There. Okay, we need this orange part. Where's the, okay. This part. I think that goes, yeah, it just goes like that. And then, next one. Kind of a weird situation there. I just need to do that. Okay, so I got it out of there. And then there's another way. Alright. Got that part. That part. Hang on. Alright, I need another red part. Okay, wait, this blue isn't ready. There we go. Alright. And then the red. Hang on, where's the other white? There it is. Okay. Let me just... Cool, okay. We got through that part. Okay. Alright, now we need to do the white face. So... I think we do the right inverted, down inverted, right down strat again for that. So, hang on. Alright, so, Cool, okay, we got that one, and then, hang on, yeah, okay. I need a speed cube already. This is kind of hard to work with. And this one goes there. So that more in view. Okay, we got that, and then we just need that to go up there. So I'm just gonna do that. Cool, okay. So that part's done. We go back here, and then I think we do the yellow thing. So, what's the formula for that? What was the formula for that? Oh wait, no, first I need to do the second layer. What the heck? Okay. So I need to do that like left-right thing again, so I'm gonna need that formula because there's no way I'm remembering that. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Okay, this needs to go right. So up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Okay, cool. And then it's gonna go left. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, does not turn, up inverted, front inverted. Okay. And okay, that goes there, left. So up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front, inverted. Okay, alright, we're done with that part. Now we have to do this yellow cross, which I forgot the formula for. Okay. Rough. Right. So front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, got the yellow cross. Okay. Now we need to do the yellow edges. So I think there's a way to do that. Okay, so we got the 2 correct parts, the 2 incorrect. And I'm trying to remember what the formula was. I can't, so I'm just gonna go. Okay, yeah. Alright, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up 2, right inverted, up. Is that good? Okay, we got that part. Now we just have the corners. Shit, I'm going fast. This is like way faster than the first one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to find one where it's. So I think I have to rotate the corners because these need to be like wrong. So I'm gonna do that. So up, right, up inverted, up inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. And I think I need to do it again. So up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Okay. And I forgot how it's supposed to be, but it might be like that actually.
And do the move. Hold the key.
Okay, yeah it is. Alright. And I think I can just finish, right? Same way as, okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Then done. Oh my gosh, that was so much faster than the first time. 7 minutes. Wow, okay. That was way faster than the first time by like a lot. So pretty good, I guess. I mean, even though it was 7 minutes. I'm gonna soon. I thought it would be a lot longer before I'd need one, but I feel like I need a speed cube because this is like extremely hard to work with. But yeah, pretty good progress, I think. So yeah.